Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO U5X. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now when both devices are connected, you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. Unfortunately there's some problem with the server, but basically that's the process how to do it. To disconnect from your smartphone, again press this button and select Stop Casting. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.